In this video, I'll show you how you can use the iFrame element to embed an entire website in your page in the Maglr block editor. So first of all, in order to embed our website, we're going to have to use the iFrame element, and we're going to find that under the Add button here on the left side of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the Special section here, under which you'll find the HTML iframe. We'll simply drag that into our page, give it a place, and then the iframe element will be set. Of course, it will be empty because there's no HTTPS website present yet. But we're going to paste one in on the right side of the screen here in the configuration menu. And do keep in mind that more and more companies are securing their website against these kinds of embeds because of the phishing trends that has been going for the past few years. So it might be the case that your website or the website you want to embed might not be able to connect, so you might not be able to embed it. But for most websites, you should still be able to. Like this website I've got pasted right here. And as you can see, as soon as I paste in the website link, the website URL, you can see it appearing here in the embed element. And then going to check the embed elements, how operational it is, you can see the entire website just popping in there. I can scroll through the website and click everything in there in order to navigate through the entire website from directly inside the Maglr publication page. And that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.